regarding community health nursing 2 for the JNM third year students. Okay, in this we are going to discuss, the topic is the primary health care. Okay, in primary health care what is there? Means in primary health care having the two steps. What is that means? The primary health care is divided through the primary health centers and sub centers. ఓకేనా, సబ్ సెంటర్స్ ద్వారా ప్రైమరీ హెల్త్ సెంటర్స్ ద్వారా ఈ యొక్క ప్రైమరీ హెల్త్ కేర్ అనేది ప్రొవైడ్ చేయబడింది ఫర్ ద సిక్ పీపుల్ హూ ఈస్ ద నీడెడ్ పీపుల్, హూ ఆర్ ద హెల్త్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ నీడెడ్ పీపుల్ ఈస్ దేర్ ఇన్ ద కమ్యూనిటీ. దోస్ పీపుల్ ఆర్ రిసీవింగ్ కేర్ బై ద ప్రైమరీ హెల్త్ సెంటర్ అండ్ సబ్ సెంటర్. ఓకేనా. నెక్స్ట్ హాస్పిటల్స్. Okay, in hospitals what is there means CHC is there. Okay, community health centers is there, and another one is the rural area hospitals will be there, and another one is the district hospitals is there. Some specialized hospitals is there. In district hospitals means different types of patients, means in medical surgical nursing or medical ward, surgical ward, ortho ward, okay, gynecological ward or child pediatric ward, like that some departments is there, no? Okay, all these departments will be there in the district hospitals. Okay, next specialized hospitals. In specialized hospitals what there means, the patients only particular specialized is there. Okay, they are receiving only special care in that particular specialty hospitals. Okay, na? For example what is there, only they needed that some specialty hospital, for example multi specialty hospital means all departments. Okay, all specialty doctors will be there or all specialty trained persons will be there, but only specialty means particular eye specialty or ear specialty or throat specialty or the joint specialty or surgical. Okay, whatever it may be, only gynecological specialty, orphanage specialty, orthopedic specialty, like that means particular diseases only the specialty hospitals will be provided care. Next teaching hospitals means each and every diseases they need only teaching, means only health education they need. For example, which type of food we have to take for maintenance of good health, మనము ఎలాంటి ఆహారం తీసుకుంటే మన హెల్త్ ఆరోగ్యంగా ఉంటుంది అనే దాని గురించి ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్. లేదంటే కొంతమందికి హెచ్ఐవి ఎయిడ్స్ గురించి కౌన్సిలింగ్ అవసరం. ఓకే, వాట్ ఈస్ ద ప్రాసెస్ ఆఫ్ హెచ్ఐవి అకరెన్స్, ఓకే, వాట్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ ప్రికాషన్స్ వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు టేక్, లైక్ దట్ దే ఆర్ హ్యావింగ్. ఓకే, ఇన్ హెచ్ఐవి ఆర్ వాట్ ఎవర్ ఇట్ మే బి దే నీడ్ సమ్ టీచింగ్. Okay, they are provided some teaching through by using some mass media, means audio visual aids use చేసి. ఓకే, కొంతమంది వినే వాళ్ళు మాత్రం ఉంటారు, వాళ్ళు చూడలేరు, అలాంటి వాళ్ళకి ఆడిటరీ ఎయిడ్స్. కొంతమంది ఓన్లీ వినలేరు, చూడగలుగుతారు. ఓకేనా, అలాంటి వాళ్ళకి విజువల్ ఎయిడ్స్ యూజ్ చేసి. ఓకే, సమ్ మెంబర్స్ ఆర్ ఏబుల్ టు విజువలైజ్ అండ్ హియర్ బట్ దే ఆర్ నాట్ ఏబుల్ టు టీచ్. Okay, means they are giving teaching to the all type of patients. Okay, next one is the health insurance scheme. Okay, in a health insurance scheme what that means, for example ESI hospitals, employees state insurance hospitals. Okay, or sometimes central government health schemes through the central government means who are there that employers at the central level, they are received some special care or they are received some treatment by the specialized hospitals. Okay, some other agencies in that defense services and some railway departments. Okay, in railway departments also different types of department nurses will be there, they are able to provide in railway sectors also. Okay, next one is the private sectors. Okay, in private sectors what is there, in the private hospitals will be there. Okay, in private hospitals or some type of clinics. Okay, and some type of nursing homes. Okay, in nursing homes also they are able to provide some special care, they are able to give some teaching, and they are able to refer to the higher hospitals for better treatment. Okay, next one is the indigenous system of medicine. Okay, in indigenous system of medicine means other than the English medicine, means for example this Ayurvedic medicine. okay na, Ayurvedic medicine or Siddha medicine or Unani or yoga or meditation, means we are not using any medications for treating the diseases. Okay, we have to do some medications or some type of yoga. Okay, through the rehabilitation also we have to reduce our diseases. Okay, this is the indigenous system of medicine. Okay, next one is the voluntary health agencies. Okay, in voluntary health agencies, what is there means national health programs. Okay, some national health programs, some TB control program or some HIV AIDS control program, some midday meal program. Okay, some type of programs will be there. Next one is the primary health care in India. Okay, in this the primary health care in India, it will be established in the year of 1977. Okay, 1977 lo government of India will be established this primary health care. Okay na, next the people mainly what is the goal of primary health care in India means the goal is the people health is there in the people hands. Okay, evari arogyaniki valle badyulu. Okay, they are taking good diet, they are taking quality of diet, they are taking quality of care to their health, means they are unable, they are less prone to get diseases. Okay, they are eating more amount of fat diet or more amount of carbohydrate diet, or they are having a cigarette smoking or alcoholism, whatever it may be. Okay, they are means each and every individual's health will be there in their own hands. Okay na, మనం తినే ఆహారాన్ని బట్టి, మనం తీసుకునేటటువంటి జాగ్రత్తలను బట్టి మన యొక్క ఆరోగ్యం అనేది ఉంటుందన్నమాట. Okay, the concept will be introduced by the primary health care in India in the year of 1977. Okay, next one is the in this Srivastava committee, means in previous days previous videos we have discussed some committees. Okay, along with that committee, one Srivastava committee will be started in the year of 1975. What they are started means the primary health care in India, means each and every individual should be take some care for their own health. Okay, like that the committee will be started. And also Alma Ata also started what is that means health for all by 2000 year of ancient days. Okay na, in this what happens means some national health programs will be started. In that what is the goal or what is the aim of national health program means here the rural health. Okay, main concept, main aim, main goal only the rural health. Okay, compulsory who are living in the rural area people should be compulsory what taking some care. Okay, they are protected by this primary health care. Okay, who are living in the tribal area or rural area, the community people will be taken some special care in the rural health or the national health policy. Okay, it will be mainly the sixth we are discussed 5-year plans. Okay, first 5-year plan, second 5-year plan, third 5-year plan. Along with that, 6th 5-year plan and 7th 5-year plan is there. No, in these two plans, what they are preferred means okay, in these two plans and new 20-point programs, they are discussed about primary health care. Okay, no, in the rural area people they did not suffering with the any diseases. Okay, they are suffering, they are free from diseases. అలాంటి కాన్సెప్ట్తో ఈ యొక్క నేషనల్ హెల్త్ పాలసీ అనేది స్టార్ట్ చేయబడింది. ఓకేనా, నెక్స్ట్ వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు డిస్కస్ అబౌట్ విలేజ్ లెవెల్. ఓకే, ఇన్ విలేజ్ లెవెల్ వాట్ హ్యాపెన్స్? ఇన్ ద విలేజ్ లెవెల్ 3 steps will be divided. In that first one is the village guides. Okay, first one is the village guides, second one is the training local dayas, third one is the ICDS scheme. Okay, integrated child development services scheme. Okay, in these 3 steps the village level care will be provided to the community people. Okay, in these the village health guides will be there. Okay, in village health guides especially in the year of 1977 October 2nd the program will be started for the security of people. Okay, now who are the rural area people will be there, who are the community people will be there. The community people will be secured by these health team members. Why? Because they are home visit in the community. Okay, they are able to provide some special care in the village level. Okay, next one is the village health guides. They are working in the community health worker. ఓకేనా, కమ్యూనిటీ హెల్త్ వర్కర్ లాగా వర్క్ చేస్తూ కమ్యూనిటీలో పర్ డే 2 to 3 hours దే ఆర్ స్పెండింగ్ దే టైమ్ ఫర్ ద కమ్యూనిటీ పీపుల్. ఒక రోజులో 2 నుంచి 3 గంటల పాటు ఖచ్చితంగా కమ్యూనిటీ వర్క్ పైన ఒక కమ్యూనిటీ హెల్త్ వర్కర్ లాగా ఇన్వాల్వ్ అవుతూ ఉంటారనమాట. ఓకేనా, నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఈస్ ద విలేజ్ హెల్త్ గైడ్స్ ఆర్ టేకింగ్ సమ్ స్పెషల్ ట్రైనింగ్ షార్ట్ టైం. ఓకేనా, షార్ట్ ట్రైనింగ్ దే ఆర్ టేకింగ్ ఎట్ ప్రైమరీ హెల్త్ సెంటర్. ఓకే, ప్రైమరీ హెల్త్ సెంటర్లో ఒక షార్ట్ పీరియడ్లో ఈ యొక్క ట్రైనింగ్ అనేది తీసుకున్నారు. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఈస్ 200 రూపీస్. ఓకే, 200 hours, ఒక 200 గంటలు 3 నెలల పాటు దే ఆర్ టేకింగ్ సమ్ ట్రైనింగ్. ఇన్ ద ట్రైనింగ్ పీరియడ్ ఆల్సో దే ఆర్ ప్రొవైడింగ్ సమ్ అమౌంట్. ఓకే, హౌ మచ్ అమౌంట్ మీన్స్ 200 rupees. Okay, per each village health guides they receive some 200 amount along with their training. Okay, how much duration of training means 200 hours. Okay, in the period of 3 months. Okay, now next one is the local dayas. In local dayas what happens means the local dayas are undergone the training 1 month. Okay, in that they are received some stipend 300 rupees. ఓకే, ఈ యొక్క లోకల్ దాయాస్ ఎవరైతే ఉన్నారో వాళ్ళకి ఒక 1 month ట్రైనింగ్ అనేది ఇస్తారు. ఆ 1 month ట్రైనింగ్లో వాళ్ళకి స్టైపెండ్ అనేది ఒక 300 రూపీస్ పే చేస్తారనమాట. ఓకే, ఇన్ దిస్ దే ఆర్ ట్రైనింగ్ ఇన్ ద పిహెచ్సి 2 days in a week. ఒక వారంలో ఒక 2 రోజులు కంపల్సరీ పిహెచ్సికి వెళ్ళి అక్కడ ఏం జరుగుతుంది అనే దాని గురించి ట్రైనింగ్, ఎస్పెషల్గా ద డెలివరీస్. ఓకే, ద లోకల్ దాయాస్ undergone the training in a week 2 days for the deliveries. Okay, what is the process? Okay, what is the duration of delivery in the primary gravida or in secondary gravida? Okay, what are the steps we are followed, what are the rules followed, what are the equipment is needed, what are the medications is needed. Okay, like that they are providing some training to the local dayas. Next they are giving some certificate also. Okay, one daya kit given and daya certificate also they are provided for the local dayas. Next, each new delivery registration. Okay, ఒక లోకల్ దాయా ఒక డెలివరీ రిజిస్ట్రేషన్ చేయిస్తే ఆమెకి ఈచ్ డెలివరీకి ఒక 10 రూపీస్ అనేవి గవర్నమెంట్ ద్వారా ప్రొవైడ్ చేయబడుతుంది అమౌంట్. ఓకే, ఇన్ఫాంట్ రిజిస్ట్రేషన్, న్యూ ఇన్ఫాంట్స్ రిజిస్ట్రేషన్ ఉంది అని అంటే ఒక 3 రూపీస్ పర్ న్యూ ఇన్ఫాంట్ రిజిస్ట్రేషన్ దే ఆర్ ప్రొవైడింగ్ అమౌంట్. Okay, next one is the Anganwadis. Okay, in Anganwadis under the scheme of ICDS. Okay, they are providing some special care to the pregnant mothers and delivery mothers and lactating mothers and some type of children who are there preschoolers. Okay, they are doing some assessment and they are checking some vital statistics and some parameters like what is the height, what is the weight according to their age group, they are having height and weight or not. Okay, what is their nutritional status. Okay, they are taking food, what is their milestones. Okay, ఆ యొక్క ఏజ్కి తగినటువంటి డెవలప్మెంట్ ఉందా లేదా. నెక్స్ట్, ఇఫ్ ద అడల్ట్స్ విల్ బి దేర్ దే ఆర్ ప్రొవైడింగ్ సమ్ టాబ్లెట్స్ ఐరన్ అండ్ ఫోలిక్ యాసిడ్. Okay, if pregnant mothers will be there means under the Anganwadis they are providing some referrals for taking of TT injection. Okay, in children's also they are providing health information regarding immunization schedule. Okay, these are the functions of Anganwadi teacher. Okay, next one is the sub centers. Okay, in sub center what happened means okay, in village level or in particular community 5000 population will be there means one sub center will be there. Okay, in tribal area 3000 population. Okay, oka 5000 population undi anante adi కమ్యూనిటీలో ఉన్నటువంటి విలేజ్ లెవెల్లో రూరల్ ఏరియాస్లో. ట్రైబల్ ఏరియా ఆర్ బ్లాక్బోర్డ్స్ క్లాసెస్ ఆర్ ఏరియాస్లో 3000 పాపులేషన్ విల్ బి కవర్డ్ బై ఏ వన్ సబ్ సెంటర్. Okay, in this sub center also they are providing special care to the all age group people. Okay, in the year of 2005 at the September month, the sub-centers totally 1,46,026 sub-centers will be there in our country. Okay, this is regarding primary health care in India.